Hi guys, today in this brief chapter I'm going to be talking about file management in Linux. That is how to copy, move and rename files. So let's get started. Get to your terminal. Now navigate to the desired directory wherever you want to work. Now let's take, for instance, I want to make a new file. So we have already used this touch command to create a new file. So let's make a file called qwerty.txt. So now you can see that we have this file named as qwerty.txt. What if I wish to move this qwerty.txt file in our bash directory? So let's move it via terminal. For moving a file or directory from one place to another in your Linux system, we have this command called mv, which stands for move. Now it should be followed by a space and then the name of the file which you want to move, followed by the directory where you want to move. So now take, for instance, I wish to move this directory in this bash folder. So for that I need to navigate entirely from my home directory to the C program directory, then to my bash directory. We had already discussed that this tilde sign stands for home directory, and you can see that we are standing in our home directory, then we navigated to a C program directory. Now to move to bash directory, we had to type in this entire extension which we had discussed earlier, that why it is important. So now let's try this command. So as it executed perfectly, now let's move to our bash directory via terminal itself and check whether this file exists there or not. Now let's type in ls command and we can see that qwerty.txt file is there in our bash directory. Let's check it via GUI. So go to your bash. Now you can see that there is a file called qwerty.txt. What if you happen to make a copy of this file? So for that purpose we have a command called cp, which stands for copy, followed by a space, then the name of the file which you want to copy, and then followed by the name of what you want to make a copy. So take, for instance, I want to copy it to a file named as hello.txt. So now let's try this command. Now you can see that we do have a file named as hello.txt. Now what if we happen to copy or else move a file from one place to another? So take, for instance, if I'll type in a command move space qwerty.txt space, simply I'll type in another name. Take, for instance, I'll name it as new.txt. Now hit enter. Now I'm gonna tell you why I actually called it copy, because since if you are using a move command and you want to rename your file, simply type in move command followed by qwerty.txt, which is the name of your initial file, and then to rename it type in a new file name. So you can see that instead of having a copy of qwerty as well as new text file present over here, we have renamed our qwerty.txt file to new.txt. So in this manner you can use your move command to move a file from one place to another, and if you are standing in the same directory, to rename a file, type in a move command followed by the file and thereafter the name of the new file. So in this manner you can use your copy, rename and move commands. So this was all about file management in Linux. I hope you liked this video, and if this was informative, I'm gonna put in some more videos which you'll find relevant to the discussion. So please hit the subscribe button below to stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.